our main product, MetaForce. Its doors will open very soon. Already at the multi-mining stage in the MetaForce, functions will be connected sequentially, one after another. As soon as the functionality is ready to give you different levels of access to the MetaForce, which give you certain opportunities, the tiers will give the appropriate access. These opportunities are for additional income, through creating a business, through a variety of games, through different interactions. That's going to be the product. You get access for 30 days. Multi-mining will no longer be available because the Forcecoin will already hit the open market. Everything in our system will be calculated already in the Forcecoin, and the Uniteverse marketing will completely switch to our coin. This is laid down in the smart contract algorithm. Now, for any transactions in the global MetaForce system, the user will need the Forcecoin. So it will no longer be possible to purchase at low prices as at the stage of multi-mining. Now there are more objective factors that will steadily push the price up. Disclaimer: this is not a financial advice, and no one can really predict exactly what will happen in the markets, where the price will go when it's already free trading. I tell you the mechanisms that significantly increase the demand for the coin. What makes us confident that once we release our coin to the free market, the demand for it will only grow? You won't have a problem selling it because at least those who will go to Uniteverse marketing need our coin. Without it, they will not buy a tier. To use the products of the MetaForce, you need our coin. At the same time, participants who have these coins are unlikely to rush to get rid of them. First, they are aware of the context that I'm talking about now, so they understand what are the prospects for increasing further demand. In addition, participants will renew their tiers, and for this purpose, holded Force coins are required. As you remember, each tier can be extended at a price 5 times cheaper if you do it on time, but provided that you pay with a Force coin. At the multi-mining stage, the ability to mine this coin was very limited. Now the coin is in public domain, and now there is a new condition for the ability to extend the tier at a price 5 times cheaper. To do this, you need to hold coins. The condition will be introduced gradually, taking into account the fact that the time report is minimal at the beginning. The period of necessary holding of coins increases from the 1st to the 8th month of renewal. After 8 months, the terms do not increase further, and the hold period of 200 days is sufficient for all further extensions. Each participant has the opportunity to hold coins independently. But if it turned out that at the right time you do not have a hold coin, then you can buy such a coin from other users. We are already announced that we are going to have a unique staking, and now it's time to uncover the secret. Sure, soon there will be imitators. Other projects will copy-paste our staking mechanisms, which is why we hit it. MetaForce will always have imitators, so any user can use the unique MetaForce staking, and this he does not even need to be a participant of the Uniteverse program. He'll be able to put the hold coins up to sale, and there will always be a demand for them from those who didn't have time to prepare in time. Can you imagine what a powerful opportunity this is? A huge number of people will be interested in this opportunity for passive income. A hold coin will be worth more than just coins, and according to the logic of the market, its price, of course, will be significantly lower than 5 times the amount for activation. This is a staking without inflation, without the need to issue additional tokens for rewards. Thus, we have built a fundamental tokenomics. As for regular staking, it may also appear at some points because one way or another there will be a listing on decentralized exchanges that we focus on. We do not focus on centralized exchanges and do not need them. MetaForce created a unique tokenomics for which there is no need for centralized exchanges that deplete resources, create artificial pumps and dumps, and apply various manipulations with cryptocurrencies. The new decentralized paradigm will inevitably move away from various centralized mechanisms, and MetaForce is at the forefront of this movement.